I'm Trevor Cook. I'm Director of TS Hospitality, which is a company created to operate the catering here at Shelsley Hill Climb, which is the oldest hill climb in the UK. The catering services we provide are for competitors, for spectators, corporate entertainment also is a feature here. And we operate a main restaurant, a burger stroke bacon bar and members hospitality, which is halfway up the hill. I found Abraxas about 15 years ago originally, when they actually refurbished our village hall. And so I remember the name, and obviously they have local advertising. So when I needed the service, I remember the service that we got 15 years ago and contacted them that way. Great, really. This was a new project and had no history of trading here, so it was a bit of a guesstimate in terms of the types of equipment I was going to need here. And by sitting down and talking with yourselves, and going around your warehouse and seeing what equipment you've got, I was able to put a plan together with yourselves of what equipment I would probably need to support the service I was offering. Clearly, when you start a new business, expenditure is important, and you want to spend as little as possible. And I found that you had quite a range of second-hand equipment that I was able to pick out, as well as new equipment, which helped me with the start-up costs, really. There was a certain amount of redesign on the counters, which Rob was involved with, and he came along, measured, made suggestions which were totally different to mine, and yours actually worked. So I was quite pleased about that. What it meant to me was that I was able to capitalise as much as I could on the trade that was here. If the kitchen production flows and I can get the food out as quickly as I need it, and it's just as important to have the counter flowing, otherwise you've got a backlog of food, so it's important to have that flowing as well. So by having a properly designed back of house and front of house meant that we were able to serve our customers a lot quicker and a lot more efficiently than we would if it wasn't operating in the right format. Cool. Yes, I mean, their technical knowledge of when installing has given me the confidence that they'll be able to sort out any problems should they arise in the future. The problem we have here is that we have long gaps between race meetings. I mean, we have them once a month for 6 months of the year. We have breakfast clubs once a month for 10 months of the year. And apart from the corporate stuff they might get in between, the equipment is idle. So sometimes there's the problem of it won't start or whatever. So we're lucky that we can tap into the expertise of Abraxas to help support the equipment and get it up and running if and when required. Yeah, I would recommend you. I find the approach very friendly. I'm lucky they're only local down the road to where I operate from and also live. So, you know, as I say, very approachable. They're on the doorstep. I can go down and have a chat. I can go and see what's in the warehouse and float my ideas. And they've always been very responsive.